Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen using VLC Media Player. If you want to capture your desktop for a tutorial, a presentation, or just save something happening on your screen, VLC includes a built-in screen recording feature that's easy to use. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it launches, click the Media menu in the top left corner and select Convert or Save. In the window that appears, open the Capture Device tab. Under Capture Mode, choose Desktop from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see the frame rate option. For smoother recordings, you can enter a higher frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, or leave the default setting if it meets your needs. After that, click the arrow next to Convert or Save and choose Convert. Now, select a video profile. Choose a destination folder by clicking Browse and give your recording a file name. Make sure you remember where you're saving the file so it's easy to find later. Once everything is ready, click Start. VLC will begin recording your screen immediately. Perform the actions you want to capture, and when you're finished, return to VLC and click the Stop button. Your recording will automatically be saved to the location you selected. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to record your screen with VLC Media Player using its built-in tools. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.